My name is Kavi Shivanya. I'm studying in 4th standard. Today we are celebrating Education Development Day. This day is very special because it is the birthday of K. Kamarajar, a great leader and the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Kamarajar was known as the father of education. He worked hard to make sure that every child could go to school and get a good education. He started the midday meal scheme so that poor children come to school and not stay hungry. Today we remember his great work and celebrate the importance of education. Education gives us knowledge, confidence and the power to make our dreams come true. Let us thank Kamarajar for giving us the gift of education. Education is the light that removes darkness from our life.